Hello doctors, welcome to Cerebellum Academy. So now in flashcards we've introduced 3 new features. So let's check it out. What are those? So now when you open the flashcards, you do start now. And then you see the overview where everything is shown, and then you see this today's deck. So if you've already started your flashcards and then it is the older session, you'll have to finish the older session and then select your custom deck. Only when you start your new session, this particular option will come. So when I start this particular deck, you see there are 5 options available. So the first option tells all due. So if you want to practice only the due cards, that is from the previous session, if you want to practice the due cards, you can select in this option. Or if you want to do mostly due, for example, you're not very sure about the last things what you've practiced, then you select mostly due. The third one is balance, that is, it is a perfect match of your older and the newer deck which you've chosen. Fourth is mostly new, that is, the cards will come only from the new custom deck which you have chosen. And at last is all new, so you will be practicing only the new topics which you want to do. So we've given 5 options. According to your choice, you can select them. So now let me go through the all new and then I start. So once I start, I'll see a patient with anterior placenta and then I show the answer. I know I got it. Done. Then next, if you know ki this is the answer and you do not want to see this card again, you do not want this card to be repeated again, so we've given an option on your right hand side. You can click that. There you get the option of drop the card, that is, you can suspend the card. So you can just click on this and it will show card successfully drop. If you want to stop, you can even do undo, right? So if you want to suspend, just go click to the drop the card. Your card will be successfully dropped and again the card won't be repeated. Now coming to the next option, if I want to report the card, so if you feel there is any mistake in the card, you can again go to the settings in your right hand side and then click on report an issue. So once you see, you can see there are 3 options, that is formatting issue, incorrect fact or image, or other. So if you feel there was any mistake in your fact, image, spelling mistake, or if you feel the answer was not right, you can click here and you can even type what you felt was not right in that particular question and then you can submit to. So these were the 3 new features that we've introduced for you guys. Hopefully you enjoy practicing your flashcards and start doing your flashcards today. With these 3 new features, start experiencing the flashcards now. Thank you so much.